George Brown, I think I can safely say it has a solid tradition in apprenticeship training. It is a leader in that area. It is an incubator for cultivating trades. It is also an incubator for producing students that are job ready. The advantage of George Brown, of students coming to George Brown, is that they know they're going to get hands-on training. They're going to get a balance of theory and practical training. They also know that our faculty are all industry trained professionals.
The faculty here is actually, it's incredible. We do have a bunch of people from manufacturing. Some of the histories go back to working with Boeing and really great places. You learn how to manufacture everything. There's a lot of heat treating involved. There's a lot of machining manually. There's a lot of machining CNC. So
our 2-year mechanical techniques program is a highly specialized program. It is hands-on. It combines the best of theory and practical. It actually allows students to develop basic manual metal working skills combined with design elements. Once they are comfortable in the manual machining environment, they graduate into their second semester where they start learning CNC programming, operating. They learn things like Mastercam.
I picked up Mastercam on my own before they started teaching in the school. I did a lot of high-speed 3D toolpaths. I mean, I was working on these rocket molds for the U of T. I went up as far as 5-axis training with the in-house solution guys when they came in a few months ago on a workshop.
The deciding factor for us to get more into Mastercam was basically coming from industry. Industry was saying, well, the students definitely need to know manual programming. They need to know 2 and 3D, but nowadays the majority of companies are engaged in very, very sophisticated machining. In-house Solutions has been with us for some time now. They've always supported us for faculty training, faculty upgrading. It's quite an incredible relationship because they provide our faculty and our staff who are educating our people here on the most advanced principles in Mastercam, from the basic right up to the very higher levels of Mastercam.
Well, I'd say if you do like putting things together, if you like working with your hands, one of the best places to come would be George Brown. And it's because you have the faculty here is second to none, and they deal with all of the best tools. We have some of the best equipment here that's anywhere on the planet.
We have cultivated a relationship with some of the Toronto District School Board technical schools in this area. There are many high school students that love things like robotics. They like to build them, they like to see them work, they like to program them. These are the kinds of students that would benefit from an education that we have in this facility, anything to do with practical training. We have a really high demand of our graduates. I can tell you right now that out of a class of 40 in our mechanical technician program, because of their high level of skill after they graduate, these students are being snapped up even before they graduate. And I would say out of a class of 40, at least 35 students will have jobs within the next month after they graduate.
I really want to be like a designer for like an automotive company. You know, designing new cars as they come by. I feel like learning, having a hands-on experience though, like in the beginning, you know, helps me design stuff, you know, better.
All the top students in our program got cherry-picked immediately. Most of them didn't have to wait to graduate. There were jobs available right away. If you're looking for work, you will get it if you finish this course. It just happens.
Our strength at George Brown for sure is our students and our faculty, because the faculty have industry training. They're mostly licensed journey people, and they're excellent with training students so that they're current. When they finish a program like this, they can even start their own business because they've got enough skills to do so.